Jensen to witness some drag race there. We have a stop over here somewhere going Bigos, I think so. The time check is 6:09, so it's been 1 hour since we have jumped off from Kalinan, and now I'm wearing this group number 6 and a leather jacket for today. So I have an update when we'll have a breakfast. So it's kind of cold. Gabi, you know. So, yun ang mga kasama namin. The view. We are now at Malalag or Malungon, I think. So, this is going to Jensen na. So, look at that view. We are now at Cliffhanger. Kaso sarado siya. Yeah, look at that view. Nice. I've always wanted na mag-stop over dito. Dati pa. So, this is my chance. Hey, sila. Ayan, papasok kami ng Jensen. And as you can see, yung puro tuyot na yung mga halaman dito. Kasi sa sobrang init, wala na talagang greens. Puro na dry, tuyo lahat. Jensen. So we're here now at Jensen. It's ano bang oras now? It's 8:35 up there. So we were leaving the road. Kaya pala siguro mainit ang road because wala na forest. As in yung palibot niya na mga bundok. Wala nang green, puro brown na lang. Tapos ang mga crops is dying na, wala na. Ngayang dried na lahat. Don't know why, kaya siguro mainit ang Jensen. Kasi wala na talagang green. And parang mostly nagkakainin sila. Kaya yan siguro. So, update. So, here, Tagasyan at Jensen. We're here now at Jensen Drag Race. Yeah, nag-test drive lang. Bora-bora, bawal sa babaw. Test drive for the drag race. So, ito yung ano nila track. Sige lang, good. So, ito yung kanilang panglaban. Team CKS. Okay, so we are now waiting for the third hit of the CKS versus AJ na racing team. So, yeah, go for CKS. So, the drag race has already started. So, we are just waiting for the go signal na mag-start na talaga. O, yun. Kasi, hindi pa nag-start kasi may mga tumatawid pa. Okay, start engine na daw. So, hindi lang to naka-slow-mo. So, there mga flagman. Tapos may isa dito na nag-video talaga. To determine, naka-slow-mo yan siya. To determine kung sino talagang nanalo. Kasi minsan dikit na dikit talaga ang laban. Yan, nag-start na. Wow. So, Steel Raider pa rin ang maglaban.
Green flag up! Green flag up! Flagman, ready! Mga tao, padablin! Ayaw maglapas! Tira sa kural! Okay, padablin lang mo!
So, pinapatabi pa nila ang mga tao kasi nga Sobrang bilis. 160 kph per 250 meters. So, grabe. Sobrang bilis that may shutter or turbo speed camera sa aking Zen 5 ay hindi na makuha ang maayos sa kanilang race. Tagal mag-start. Ang init-init. Ayun, go. Yun na. Ayun, nasa gitna talaga kami. Yun na daw, clear. Tagal.
Motor!
Lain up. Sana hindi bad start kay Kapoy magtayo dito. Init. Sunog na ako. Tingin ito sa ilaw. Hello. And open valve category 160cc category, so between Motospeed and Team CKS. Nalipad yung plug niya. So I am in between of the racetrack. Yeah.
Tingin sa ilaw, Racer!
Tapos na ang laro, so medyo hagardo na ang peg. Kasi from around 10, 10. Tapos anong oras na it's 5:10 in the afternoon. Ang alikabok, ang init. So, gabi, sobrang init dito sa Jensen. Kung tingnan nyo. O, diba? Puro tuyot dried ang mga halaman. So, sobrang init. Okay, so tapos na aming adventure. So, bye-bye! Ang drag, ito, awarding na. Yun yung champion from Manila. Galing pa sila Manila. So, yung naka-pink is si Drag King, champion all over the Philippines. Tapos yung isa na naka-shades is si Tomas. So, ang kanilang premyo cash prize saka noodles. What the fuck? Bakit noodles? Diba? Uy, noodles. Nakakatawa talaga, noodles. Grabe, hindi ako makamove on. Noodles.
Sige!